Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to Sister J's World. Today I'm reaping in my sister garden. This is her backyard garden, guys. She plant and she sow and me just come and me reap. Yes. So this is a part 2 video. I did part 1 where I cut some color loose and some scallion and thyme. So guys, I'm gonna finish reap. Alright, as me say, as she plant and sow, and me come and just reap, clean and cook. Alright, so just stick around and see me go through our garden.
You man see no man, pray your device, you know say a chat boss. I may represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J world, I hear a word. Chat boss, Trap City, hear me say, welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want learn. Welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want learn. Sister J world full of beer vibes. Have you watch when she premiere in live. Everybody have to just get in the vibes. Like, comment and please subscribe. Sister J world that me choosing. Food where she cook, can't refuse it. When she blend up the natural juices. Oh jeez, me say this sweet me, hey. Welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want learn. Welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want learn. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J, you know the vibration go. And when they represent for Sister J channel, check it out on YouTube. Me advise everybody for like, comment, share, and remember to subscribe. Leave a comment, tell them what you think. You know, click the link. Click the link. Me welcome everybody right now. Hear me say, welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want learn. Welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want learn. Sister J world that we choosing food where she cook. Not refusing when she start blending up the natural juices. Oh Jesus, me said this sweet me, hey. You man see no man, pray your device, you know say a chat boss. I may represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J world, I hear a word. Chat boss, Trap City, hear me say, welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want learn. Welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want learn. Sister J world full of beer vibes. Have you watch when she premiere in live. Everybody have to just get in the vibes. Like, comment and please subscribe. Sister J world that me choosing food where she cook, can't refuse it. When she blend up the natural juices. Oh jeez, me say this sweet me, hey. Welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want learn. Welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want learn. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J, you know the vibration go. And when they represent for Sister J channel, check it out on YouTube. Me advise everybody for like, comment, share, and remember to subscribe. Leave a comment, tell them what you think. You know, click the link. Click the link.
I I get a variety of stuff. Some I do beyond the camera and some I do on camera. But look at my lovely cucumbers. And this is my thyme. I have some cherry tomatoes right here, some green beans. Yes, my lovely people. This is where you come and get nice cucumber. She have nice eggplant, but they're not come up yet. Peaches and apple. All right? So, until next time, see you when I come back to reap on this lovely farm.